Imagine a computer so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it outperforms the massive, liquid-cooled towers that were the gold standard just 2 years ago. For over a decade, the Mac Mini was the quiet overachiever of Apple's lineup, the affordable entry point that sat tucked away behind monitors in home offices across America. But as we move into the second quarter of 2026, the game has fundamentally changed. We aren't just looking at a spec bump. We are looking at the birth of the M5 era, a transition to a 2-nanometer architecture that was once thought to be a decade away. In the last few days, internal Apple documents and supply chain reports from Austin, Texas, have confirmed that the Mac Mini M5 is about to become the most important desktop in Apple's history. Why now? Because the AI war has reached a fever pitch. While competitors are struggling with heat and power draw, Apple is about to drop a neural powerhouse that fits in a lunchbox. Over the next 30 minutes, we are going to deconstruct the secret benchmarks of the M5 chip, the controversial Made in USA production shift, and the leaked Pro features that are blurring the lines between the Mini and the Mac Studio. If you've been waiting to upgrade your desktop, or if you're a creative professional looking for the ultimate price-to-performance ratio, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this. This is the Mac Mini M5, and it's about to break the speed of sound. Let's start with the headline that has everyone talking: the Made in Texas factor. In a massive move for 2026, Apple has officially shifted a significant portion of Mac Mini production to its Foxconn facility in Houston and training centers in Austin. This isn't just about politics or logistics. This is about quality control and speed to market for the US audience. For the first time, the most popular desktop in America is being built in America. But what does that mean for the hardware? Leaks suggest that the US-built units are the first to test a new carbon fiber composite internal frame. It's lighter, it's stronger, and it dissipates heat 20% more efficiently than the previous aluminum-only designs. This allows the M5 chip inside to reach boost clocks that were previously reserved for the MacBook Pro. Now let's talk about the heart of the beast, the M5 silicon. We are moving to the 2-nanometer process. To put that in perspective, a 2-nanometer transistor is roughly the width of a single strand of DNA. Apple is packing nearly 40 billion of these onto the base M5 chip. According to early Geekbench 7 leaks, we are looking at a 25% jump in single-core performance and a staggering 40% jump in multi-core tasks over the M4. But the real story is the neural accelerator. Every single core in the M5 GPU now has a dedicated AI engine. This isn't just for Siri. This is for real-time generative video, local large language models, and 3D environment mapping. If you're a developer or a creator in the US, the M5 Mini isn't just a computer. It's an AI server that sits on your desk. But what about the Pro users? The ones who need the M5 Pro chip? The leaks for the M5 Pro Mac Mini are even more insane. We are hearing about a 16-core CPU and a 24-core GPU. But the most shocking leak is the memory bandwidth. Apple is reportedly using stacked unified memory that hits 300 gigabytes per second on the Pro model. That is faster than many high-end dedicated gaming GPUs. This means the M5 Pro Mini